Hi. Now recently in the news is interestingly, India releases compilation of 10,000 human genomes from 83 population group. There is an interesting project called Genome India where we are codifying the genes of the Indian population group. And I mean genome project means they'll be codifying every gene in the human body. It can run into millions. For entire India, based on various caste and tribe equations, they classified around 4,600 social groups. Out of 4,600 social groups, for 83 population group, now they made a codification complete. That means in the 83 population group, you will have various information about their genetics, genetical formations, alleles, details. It's very critical for a medical intervention. For example, because now from flesh we have traveled to genes on disease. We understand particular gene triggers a cancer at particular age for a particular group. So when we could be able to identify such markers, we will be able to respond little advanced. And some of the markers may be like diabetes. We know that Indians are more prone for diabetes than a Westerner, not just because of eating rice, but for their genetical makeup. So when we understand that, we also understand that which gene triggers that, and we can market that. The only threat in this entire process is when we codify these gene groups by social, somebody may try to eliminate one social group using one particular, what we call a biological war. But Government of India has taken sufficient caution. They, instead of naming a caste or tribe, they are naming only numerical codes. Only the researchers will know that which code has which group data. This is a very interesting development for India. We have a long way to go, but still it's a very good beginning. If you could codify the entire gene database, we will understand one thing, that at least 80% we have a commonality throughout India. That will also make us a unified feeling of Indian. And this entire database will help us in defining a medical delivery which may be different from what America or England do for their population, because we may need something else, some sort of different treatment plan based on this vast knowledge base. So I really appreciate the Government of India in this, the project they undertook at Genome India, and we wish the best thing to come in future. Thank you.